Okay, what's for dinner tonight? I'm very lazy, so I'll make something for my husband. So here are the ingredients. Okay, we have sourdough bread. We have mayonnaise if you like mayonnaise. If you like dill pickle. And let me see, spicy brown mustard. And of course, pastrami. If you don't like pastrami, you can have any meat. So, first thing I have to do, I have to grill the bread first. I already grilled the sandwich. And then I'm gonna put real mayonnaise because my husband didn't like to eat the 50-50. So it's best food real mayonnaise. That one so it will not be very dry, and then of course the mustard. Very easy, simple dinner. Spread it nicely. And put pastrami, of course. You can put 3 or more, whatever you like. If you like more meat, you can put more meat. There you go. Pickles. He likes pickle. One is enough because this is pretty big. If you want more, I can give him some more. And then some chips. Then maybe I'll put some pickled papaya, if you like pickled papaya, to make it more colorful. This is not picky, so pickled papaya will work. I was thinking of potato salad, but like I said, I'm not very productive today. Kind of lazy. So here you go, my friend. Pastrami sandwich, potato chips, pickled cucumber inside this with the fruit. slice of fruits, like watermelon or other kinds of fruits. So here you go, my friends. That's for my husband's dinner. Very simple. And a slice of watermelon. That's his dinner tonight. Have a good dinner, my friend. And thank you so much for watching.